Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that excites many, road biking. If you're new to cycling, the world of road bikes can seem daunting, but fear not. We've curated a list of the *** 7 best road bikes for beginners ***. These picks are designed to offer an excellent blend of quality, usability, and comfort, ensuring you have a smooth ride as you embark on your cycling journey. Whether you'll be commuting or just riding for leisure, there's something here for everyone. So, let's jump right in. Number 1. The EuroBike HY 550 road bike. This bike is an exceptional choice for beginners, combining style with performance. The lightweight aluminum frame ensures that you can easily maneuver through city streets or paved trails alike. Its sleek design isn't just about looks, it's engineered for efficiency. The 21-speed gear system offers versatility, making it easier to conquer uphill terrains or cruise flat surfaces. What stands out with the EuroBike HY 550 is its comfortable saddle and ergonomic handlebars, which allow for a more enjoyable long-distance riding experience. The dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, even in wet conditions, enhancing your safety on various terrains. The bike comes in multiple color options, allowing you to customize your ride. Plus, its assembly is a breeze, meaning you can hit the road in no time. Overall, the EuroBike HY 550 is a durable and stylish option for anyone looking to start their cycling journey. With its impressive features and quality design, it sets the stage for many enjoyable rides to come.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Next up is the Schwinn Fastback road bike, a fantastic entry point for beginner cyclists. Schwinn has long been synonymous with quality, and the Fastback lives up to the name. Constructed with a lightweight aluminum frame, this bike is built for longevity and responsiveness. The bike features a carbon fork, which improves shock absorption, giving you a smoother ride on rough roads. The 14-speed gear set allows for precise shifting, making it perfect for beginners who might struggle with more complicated systems. One of the highlights of this bike is its ergonomic design. The saddle is comfortable even on longer rides, and the upright handlebars reduce strain on your back and neck during commutes. Additionally, the Schwinn Fastback road bike comes equipped with strong alloy caliper brakes, offering excellent stopping power and control despite your speed. This bike also boasts aesthetically pleasing finish options, making you feel good about your ride. With its combination of comfort, durability, and ease of use, the Schwinn Fastback is surely an outstanding choice for any new road cyclist. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is the Rival 20 Freestyle BMX, specially tailored for teenagers venturing into the world of cycling. While it carries a BMX label, it offers great road biking features that can be a joy for young riders. Built with a durable steel frame, it provides stability and strength, making it perfect for various riding terrains. The 20-inch wheels allow for excellent maneuverability and control, ideal for younger or inexperienced riders. The bike's lightweight design makes it easy to handle, which is vital as beginners learn the ropes. This is complemented by the grips on the handlebars that provide a solid hold, enhancing safety and control while riding. Another fantastic feature is its single-speed drivetrain. This means less complexity while riding, allowing you cyclists to focus on their balance and steering. The Rival 20 Freestyle is visually striking, often available in bright colors that appeal to teenagers. With its blend of sturdiness and user-friendliness, this bike is perfect for budding cyclists aiming for excitement on the road. Number 4. Our fourth pick is the 6Q single-speed urban Fixie road bike, which stands out for its minimalist yet functional design. Ideal for urban commuting, the lightweight aluminum frame makes riding a breeze through traffic-congested areas. This design philosophy is reinforced through the bike's simplicity. There are no complicated gear systems to manage, making it suitable for beginners. This bike features high-profile wheels that not only provide stability but also ensure a smooth ride, whether you're on fresh pavement or slightly bumpy roads. The 6Q's straightforward single-speed setup encourages riders to focus on mastering their cycling skills without getting overwhelmed with shifting. It's also equipped with a flip-flop hub, allowing you to switch between fixed gear and freewheel options, offering flexibility as you grow more confident. Its aesthetics don't fall short either. Available in a rainbow of colors, it's designed for riders who like to stand out. The combination of usability, durability, and sleek, urban styling makes the 6Q single-speed Urban Fixie a top choice for new cyclists looking to make a statement and get to their destination efficiently. Number 5. At number 5 is the Royce Union RMX City Bike, which is perfect for adults seeking a comfortable ride. This bike features a lightweight aluminum frame, specifically designed for urban environments. The standout feature is its suspension fork that smooths out bumpy roads, making every ride enjoyable, whether you're commuting to work or leisurely cycling on weekends. The RMX also boasts a comfortable saddle and an upright riding position, which is easier on the back and ideal for casual rides. The bike incorporates a 7-speed gear system, providing just enough variety in gears for flat terrains or slight inclines, perfect for beginners focusing on building their cycling endurance. Durability is key, and Royce Union excels with robust tires that grip well on various surfaces, enhancing control and confidence with each ride. The sleek and modern design of the RMX enhances its visual appeal, making it an attractive option for adult cyclists. With its combination of style, quality, and practicality, the Royce Union RMX City Bike is undeniably a fantastic choice for beginner riders craving comfort and usability. Number 6. Next, we have the Hurley Cutback fixed-gear road bike, an ideal option for those who appreciate simplicity in cycling. Designed to minimize maintenance and maximize enjoyment, this bike features a sturdy steel frame that guarantees durability while on the go. Its uncomplicated fixed-gear design is perfect for riders looking for a straightforward experience as they learn the dynamics of cycling. The Hurley Cutback's lightweight build and responsive handling make it exceptionally maneuverable in urban settings. This bike comes with 700 wheels, which provide a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections on your riding path seamlessly. Its failure-resistant tires give riders confidence, knowing they're set up for success in various environments. Visually, the Hurley Cutback is hard to ignore, available in bold and vibrant options that appeal to younger cyclists and trendy urban commuters alike. This bike's lack of complex gearing lets beginners focus on developing their riding skills without any distractions. If you're on a hunt for a reliable and stylish fixed-gear bike, the Hurley Cutback should definitely be on your radar. Number 7. Finally, we wrap up our list with the Giordano Aversa road bike for adults, a perfect model for beginners looking to add some speed to their rides. The Aversa boasts a lightweight aluminum frame designed for maximum performance while maintaining comfort. It features an ergonomic geometry that allows for a natural and relaxed seating position, making it suitable for casual rides or longer commutes. The bike comes with a 21-speed gearing system, offering plenty of flexibility for tackling hills or cruising down flat roads seamlessly. Its 700 wheels ensure a smooth experience, reducing rolling resistance for effortless acceleration. Additionally, the Shimano components used on this bike are known for their reliability, ensuring you have consistent performance during your rides. Durability is again a highlight here, as the Giordano Aversa is built with high-quality materials designed to withstand the test of time. The bike is also equipped with dependable braking systems that offer excellent stopping power. With its blend of performance, quality, and stylish design, the Giordano Aversa is a top contender for beginners eager to elevate their cycling experience. Well, that wraps up our list of the 7 best road bikes for beginners. Each option presented offers unique features tailored to new cyclists, ensuring you find the perfect fit as you embark on your journey into the world of road biking. Investing in the right bike can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on biking gear. Leave your comments below on which bike caught your eye, or let us know about your favorite cycling experiences. Happy cycling, and see you in the next video.